When recruiting installers, one of the key points that we talk about why Tuff Shed. The organization is a phenomenal organization. We care about our people. We have a great product. We believe we're the best product on the market. We're extremely fair.
You're constantly being outbidded by other people. The beauty of Tuff Shed is that you walk in and we give you work.
They have the consistent business every day, but ultimately we're going to find their leads for them. They don't have to go out and market and search for different jobs.
The product that Tuff Shed supplies is top-notch. They do everything that a contractor would do to build a house.
Tuff Shed's a great organization to partner with. We strive to provide them with all of the materials necessary to get the job done right.
Tuff Shed pays weekly. Every shed I build this week, I will be paid for by the end of next week. It's really nice because if you contract on the other end without Tuff Shed, you can wait 3 months before you get paid on one project.
When we're talking to them, we're letting them know that their success is our success as well. They're an integral part of what we do every day, and we couldn't get things done without them.
The other part of it is our process of prefabricating a building, the way we skid it out for them, the way we load. We try not to keep them in the morning too long.
It's been amazing since then. I've been making money, my crew is happy, I'm happy, I think Tuff Shed's happy, and I wish I would have done it a lot sooner than I did.
And I think that's why we've seen contractors and our installers, with us for years. We make the hard part easy for them. They got to just be a master at their trade.
I think that's ultimately what every contractor, small business owner wants.